Hey class, so here are some helpful tips in order to help you succeed in this class. My first tip would be don't wait until the last minute to finish any assignment, whether that's a discussion, responding to your peers, or just any assignment in general, because a lot of the work that we do require a lot of time. And with the time, you also have to do a lot of critical thinking, a lot of analyzing, and if you were to wait until the last minute, your work wouldn't be its best, so I just wouldn't recommend that. And also, it's extremely helpful to look at the announcements that the professor posts because they're just reminders and they really help you stay on track, and it really sets the tone for the week coming. Also, these announcements can be found as soon as you click on the course on the home page. If not, you can also find them under the announcements link, the tab, which is on the left-hand side of Canvas when you click on the course. Also, you can link your Canvas to your Aloni email, and you do that by going on a web advisor, and if you go on the student homepage, there you should see an option at the bottom prompting you to link those two. Also, embedding pictures and videos is a vital part of this course because a lot of the things we do is visual. So for embedding pictures, what I used to do was log into Canvas, and on the left hand side under count I would click on files and I would upload my pictures through there that I find. So what you would have to do is look up whatever you're trying to find and save it onto your computer under JPEG, and then you can upload it. But recently I think Canvas made an update, so now it makes it easier. So if you're on a discussion, you can simply click on Insert Image and it should direct you to your downloads that you already have on your computer, and then from there you just upload it. If that's not the case, you just simply go under your files and upload it through there. Also, the same thing for videos, but something I did notice with videos is it has to be a certain size. So if you're doing this on your phone and then you upload it onto Canvas, you would have to lower the quality. But you could also record through Canvas, which is also an option. And one of the biggest things I found so useful in this course was if I was stuck or needed further explanation, I would contact the professor. She's extremely helpful, willing to help, and genuinely cares for this class and the students, so I would truly recommend you reach out to her just for any questions, confusion, or concerns. Also, what I found useful not just in this course, since it is an online course, but other classes, is if you click on the class and on the right hand side there is a to-do list. And what I found useful was every time I finished an assignment, I would simply just click on the X that is above the assignment, and that removes it from the to-do list. So everything that you have to do will remain there, and that kind of helps you just remember and just know that you have upcoming assignments. Also, what I found extremely helpful was reading the feedback the professor gave, because everything she gave us, I would apply it to the next assignment and try to improve. So I would 100% recommend that. And relating to the feedback, I would recommend looking at the rubric beforehand, because that is the structure of what your assignment will be based on, and it really guides what you are going to be doing, and it's just extremely useful. And I just can't stress that enough. The rubric, once I realized that how useful the rubric was, I started incorporating that more, and I saw a significant change in my grade. Also, you will definitely learn how to appreciate art not just appreciate art, but you will get a real life classroom feel of this class if you invest time, engage in the activities, and really put all your effort into it.